What happened? Where is she?
I'm at my house.
She's in her house. Her house is the leg of the table. Or the stand.
You can come in the door, but you're going to be down at the base. There's a lot of fairy toys here. There's this high. This is this guy.
Think so?
Yeah. See? Can you reach the toys? Woohoo! I'm the skinniest fairy because I have skinny wings and I'm skinny.
You do look like a pretty skinny fairy.
Watch out.
George? No.
Do you know I can change my wings so I can be you know my wings can come off? Do you know my wings can come off?
Can we put wings on this guy and see if he can fly?
No, you can wear them and you can live in my house and then I can be you for one day. You can be me and I can be you.
Okay.
It'll be magical. Alright? Oh, hi. What's your name? I'm Abby Kadabi.
Give her the Diet Pepsi. Don't want to stretch out your wings though. I'm just going to leave them down here.
Don't take a long time at my house. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Weather out of here. No. Hi, Gordon. Hi, Gordon. Look what happened to my wings. Gordon, look what happened to my wings.
Gordon, look what happened to her wings.
He really wants a Diet Pepsi.
Gordon,
Yeah.
she's gonna be me for one day, and I'm gonna be her for one day. I'm gonna be Zoe, and she's
I'm
gonna
going to
be.
be Abby Kadabi.
I still have pictures to make me fly and make me have my wings.
That's because you're a real fairy.
I know. Woohoo!
What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on in here, George. Come on. Let's go. Georgie, come on. Here. Look. Ready? So, call him over here. Come on, Georgie. Let's go. Let's go. Good job, bud. Hi. Georgie, say bye-bye. Hi, baby.
Look at Mikey go with that.
How many pop stickers did you get too?
Sophia, where are you? Please come back over here. So, Georgie has your records, your CDs. You better come get them. Hey, be nice. You didn't have to rip them out of his hands like that.
You get mad?
Yeah, he got mad.
This is on my player, so I didn't play.
Good job, George.